Hey there, welcome to the Stocks with Josh show. I'm in a little cabin up in California in snowy mountains. I'm going to be touching on some important stock plays for you guys today. I'm excited about bringing a new stock pick to you guys. Just going to start off with talking about the S&P 500. Is it headed for new lows? I'm going to give you guys my view of the charts and what I think they're saying. In addition, I am releasing one of my new recession-proof value stock plays. These are for the buy and hold long-term investors. This is not a swing trade. This is an investment for all of 2023 to see great returns by the end of 2023 and in 2024. Let me remind all of you guys that this is for educational purposes. This is not a suggestion for you to buy, sell, or hold. Plus, the scammers work 24/7, plus the holidays, impersonating me, trying to get you guys to DM them on WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram. I'm not there. You can only find me here and on the Moomoo Investment app. On that note, there are only a few days left to take advantage of Moomoo's holiday sweepstake, a chance at winning $60,000, as well as their Christmas offer of 20 free stock. You guys can give the gift of investing to a family member, open them up an account, deposit $100, get the free stock, and a chance to win big bucks just in time for Christmas. Guys, thanks for hitting the like for me. Trade with the community, hit the subscribe and the all notification YouTube bell and join the Stock Josh fam. Okay, even though progress has been made on inflation and corporate earnings are giving us signs of slowing growth, the Fed is still gunning for the greater than 5% terminal rate. He wants to raise those rates. The Fed has remained unrelentingly hawkish, but the market has been calling his bluff because it's only down 20%. It could easily be argued that the interest rate risk of the Fed's rate hikes has not been priced in. I did a video a month back pointing out that Goldman Sachs and UB gave an S&P 500 year-end target of around 3,600 to 4,000, and right now we're right in the middle of that range. In the last couple of videos, I've been talking about the fact that the markets have not been doing as badly as a lot of people feel they have. Market turmoil is just getting started. Now, I know that that sounds crazy for some of you guys, people, retail investors, because some folks' portfolios are, as they say, tore up from the floor up. People who have been in high growth stocks that are down more than 60% have been feeling the pain. Plays like Meta, PayPal, Tesla, AMD, all popular stocks, all down 60%. But I am not afraid of these markets. I'm excited about the volatility and the opportunity ahead. There is always money to be made on Wall Street. There are always stocks that are breaking out daily, like Tall Education. I brought Tall to the family months back. Now let me do some quick technicals on Tall right now. TAL, ticker TAL. I'm going to make a quick support and resistance class for you guys. $5.80 to $6 used to be resistance for a long period of time. And there was numerous hits up against that $5.80 to $6 range. But then it eventually broke through that, and it's been running up to the $10 range. I think we're going to get a lot of resistance at $10. The only reasonable spot to buy back into Tall would be back on the support, which had previously been resistance of the $5.80, $6 range. That's how that works. Now, Tall Education could easily go to $20, and I think it will get there, but you don't want to chase it. You only want to consider a re-entry at support. I want to quickly cover with you guys the S&P 500. We had a bounce off of 3790 as I predicted in my last video, and we're watching tomorrow for a rejection of 3,900 to confirm the move down. Now we have to be mindful that the markets could drift up through the last 5 days of the year and the first 2 days of 2023. That's actually the time frame of what is considered a technical Christmas rally. Everybody starts talking Christmas rally as soon as we hit December, but it's really technically only the last 5 days of the year that you keep an eye out for. And in my opinion, we might drift up in this time frame because there are less people buying and selling. Most of the big moves have already been done, so the market can tend to move up a little bit. The most it's going to move up is 1 to 2%. After that, I think we're going to see it head lower, And I think the next support level that I'm keeping an eye out for is going to be 3650 on the SPX, which measures the S&P 500. That had been a long range of consolidation, as well as it is the 200-week moving average. I absolutely think we'll get a bounce on that spot and even potentially consolidate at that level for a little while. But if or when it breaks, we're going to be heading back to retest this year's lows at 3,500. And ultimately, the end of the trend is likely to put us at 3,300. And if we got all the way down to 3,300, we would be 30% down from all-time highs, which I think is ahead of us. Okay, my next stock in my top 10 recession-proof stocks is VFC. Now, who is VFC? These guys own many successful brands like Vans, The North Face, Timberland, Dickies, Ultra, Eastpak, Icebreaker, Jan Sport, Kipling, Supreme, and a bunch of others. Many of these brands are at all-time high in popularity, making record sales this Christmas according to Black Friday reports. Now, VFC is 75% down from its all-time highs, and the stock price has fallen all the way back to 2011 prices. And like many calls that I've made on this channel, this one I think is going to be a winner. If you didn't do the ETH play, if you didn't do the Norwegian Cruise Lines, the shop trade, the successful SQQ and TQQ trade that we called, the tall trade, the TCRT from 75 cents to $4, the Alibaba trade from 59 to 95, the Meta call from 86 to 124, if you didn't do any of those, this is your time to pay attention to the next big trade I'm going to give you guys. But it's important to get in at the right price. Take a minute and pay close attention to the price range I'm going to give you. This is not a go buy this stock video. I am giving you the trade setup. I'm going to give you the right price that I'm going to be looking at taking a position. Now this price is going to be my bounce price. I'm going to give it to you at the end of the video. Let's just quickly go over some of the fundamentals of VFC. And again, I don't want to be asked after this stock hits my price, I buy it, 10% of you buy it, and then the rest, and then it pops up from there, and then the rest of you are going to say, when should we buy it? Nope, don't ask me that. If you're going to follow any of my trades, first of all, do your own due diligence. Second, don't come late to the party. Now, this stock is also a dividend winner, paying out an impressive 7.58%. The institutional money has this stock on their watch list, and so do I. And as of 6 days ago, the CEO, Brenner Dory, he bought 10,000 shares of his own company. He believes the company is too low priced at this point. VFC has a debt to equity ratio of 1.14. A good debt to ratio for this sector is less than 1.5, so they're killing it. The stock has a market cap of around 10.5 billion, a PE ratio of 25, a PEG ratio of 4.24, and a beta of 1.39. Even among the most elite companies on earth, VFC is higher quality than 98% of them. This is a well-run company. Due to all these reasons, they have made it on my buy list, and this is a heads up before I buy any. I have not bought any. My buy price is $23 to $22. Okay, guys, I'll discuss this stock more in the future. Do yourself a favor and at least add it to your watch list so that when I talk about it again in the days ahead, you know what I'm talking about. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever traded this stock before, what you think of this stock, if you think this is a good play or a bad play. I love constructive criticism and feedback. Hit the like, the subscribe, and the notification bell if you guys are interested in following me along on this journey. Go ahead over to the Moomoo app, get those free stocks, and find me over there. I'm going to make a quick video today, guys. I'm just going to say Merry Christmas. Happy to connect with you guys a little bit in the comments section. I love you all. Peace and blessings, my friends. Take care. Talk to you soon.